U.S. stocks sharply in the red this Friday morning as the number of new coronavirus cases continue to rise, fueling concerns over a global economic slowdown. China's National Health Commission reporting more than 75,000 confirmed cases and over 2,000 deaths on the mainland. South Korea also reporting 52 new cases to take its total to 150. The spread of the virus already taking its toll on the Chinese economy as domestic auto sales fell by 92% in the first 2 weeks of February. Meanwhile, in the forex market, the euro-dollar's worry begin. That sees further advance. The British pound U.S. dollar pair sees the bias remain bullish, while the dollar yen that's under pressure and in focus. The pair stands below its horizontal resistance at 112 and stands below its moving averages. Short positions below 112 are favored with targets at 111.35 and 111.10 in extension. Meanwhile, the Bitcoin dollar sees the upside prevail as long as 95.35 is the support and also the pivot point. And gold sees the upside prevail as gold is pushing higher, supported by its rising moving averages. Long positions above 1632.75 are favored with targets at 1650 and 1657 in extension, while silver sees its target at 1870 a troy ounce.